welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be playing with the blue slime and the green slime. My sister's behind the camera filming. Hi. And let's get started. Start with green, as you can see. The cup is like light green, but it's actually dark green. Let's do some noses. Like my new bracelet. It's really cool. Let's start with the blue one now. This is gonna be a really quick video. Please like and subscribe.
Yeah, it really helps our channel.
And if you comment, you're gonna get a shout out. Every comment, even if it's 30, I'm gonna do a video of reading all the comments. So please subscribe and like and comment. Please. So I think that would be it for the video. If you want to get a nice glow. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe again. Sorry if I'm getting on your nerves. Bye.
Bye, guys. Bye, Felicia.